The Refresh Enrollments feature in CRAFTS allows you to update fees for all students enrolled in a particular program with just one click. This is a fantastic feature to use when you change a program fee from say $50 to $55 or $500 to $550, and you need to update everyone's account, including possible subsidy allocation that may need to be recalculated. To use Refresh Enrollments, go to the Admin menu, click Refresh Enrollments, and the check button to update the fees for all students enrolled with programs with a new fees with one click. CRAFTS will tell you how many profiles are being updated, then you either click the Update button to proceed or cancel to back out. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and feel free to reach out if you need additional support.